Beautiful. All right, that's perfect. So we'll let it sit and idle for a minute. All right, give it a little throttle. Wow. All right. Hit that one more time. Okay, now hit the number 2. Wow. Hear that deep exhaust note change right there? Taking it from mild to wild. Go. Hit it. Wow. One more time. All right. And now hit the, perfect, thank you. And now he just tamed it back to the mild sound right there. So now you can hear just a regular mild idling right there. Hit that button one more time. And you hear that get deep again. So that is the Capristo exhaust. All right, kill it, you're good. Thank you. So Joseph, that is the exhaust note of our 2001 Modena. Thank you, Ryan Carney, I appreciate it. And the Capristo exhaust makes it turn from mild to wild. And man, this baby is ready to roar. Call me anytime, 602-561-7672. Have a good day, Joseph.